After visiting the controversial Yasukuni Shrine, Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe is planning to extend his itinerary. Japan's National Sankei newspaper says Abe has decided to visit island countries in the South Pacific where Japanese and U.S. troops fought toward the end of World War II. The visits aim to pay tribute to Japanese soldiers who died there. The last time a Japanese prime minister paid such visits was in 1985. Japan's National Nikkei newspaper has warned that Japan should not be misled by blind patriotism. The international community has also voiced deep concerns over the resurgence of Japan's militarism. The U.S.-based Fox News service says on its website that Abe's shrine visit last month was inevitably undermining trust between the U.S. and Japan. Germany's foreign ministry has also said that every country should reflect on its role in the last century's brutal wars as a basis for resolving hostility and developing international cooperation.